Everybody eats, so everybody poops. Everybody eats, so everybody poops. Have you ever wondered what dinosaurs ate? Some ate plants, others ate trees. Some ate meats, others ate both. Big dinosaurs pooped. Poop as big as your house. Small dinosaurs pooped. Poop smaller than a mouse. Elephants eat grass, then poop comes out there. As you can imagine, elephant poop must be pretty chunky, and stinky, and funky. What about a monkey? How about a donkey? Everybody eats, so everybody poops. What about you? What do you like to eat? Do you like vegetables? Or do you like meat? Speaking of yummy food, there's someone I want you to meet. He loves to eat what you eat, whether it's vegetables or meat. His name is Streptococcus mutans. We'll just call him Strep. Asleep or awake, he's with you at every step. Strep and his friends live in your mouth and mine. They eat your apples and drink mommy's wine. When you chew your food, Strep helps you out. He eats the meat and sugar that goes in your mouth. Do you like birthday parties, pizza, ice cream, and cake? Strep invites all his friends in the celebration they partake. And in the end, you feel full from all the food you ate. What a party! It was great! Satisfied, you go to the toilet to sit. And throughout your mouth, Strep and his friends take a... Everybody eats, so everybody poops.